Welcome back to Contextual Electronics. We're going to go over using the repeat command today, especially in EEschema where you might be placing a lot of different labels or components or anything else like that. So let's go to the very common situation first, which is going to be a data bus. Let's open up KiCad launcher, and then our example project will open up a blank schematic. Alright, so let's place a part with a lot of pins on it that we might want to pass from one part to another. So if we go in here and we pick just add mouse good, something big. Perfect. Alright, so we'll go from PC0 to PC7. What we're going to do is first off, we're going to draw a wire. Okay, double click. And now we're going to hit the magic button, which is insert. And what's happening here is it's actually getting the idea here from a menu option that we have available to us. Now it basically shows how it's actually calculating this. It's actually doing it based on spacing and not, based on the next pin down. However, since there's a lot of standardized pins that are about, I think this is 100 mils apart. Yeah. 100 mils apart on the schematic, that's basically what we're set to here. So if we go to, what's it under? Options. We can see here vertical displacement is set at 100 mils, so we could change that as well. We can also see that there's a label increment and a horizontal displacement. So let's look at the label increment first. So if we're going to just name this to match what we have there, hit L for label, and then PC0. There we go, that's great. And now we're going to hit insert. And not only does it do a horizontal displacement, it also copies the label prefix, in this case PC, and then it increments the number, and it continues to do so. And we can see again that this does it past where we need it to. It does PC8. We don't need that one. Alright, so you can see that's a very, very simple way of getting that kind of behavior into your schematic. Oops. Move this over. So if we want to do a bus label entry, let's get rid of that. So there's a bus to wire entry. Click once, and again, insert. Messed that up, sorry. I had this because I hit the hotkey there. Alright, here we go. Enter there. And now we just hit the insert key, and we can create lots and lots of bus entries without much hassle. And this is from that wrongly pressed hotkeys. So we quickly made a data bus, and we quickly were able to create what we needed there. So we can do other examples here as well. If we wanted to place another item, we could grab a resistor and we could place it. Then we could hit insert again and place another one. And basically do this ad nauseum. Now in this case it's not doing the spacing manually, but it is pulling up another one. So if you're doing something like an array, it could be a really useful kind of tool there. And I'm sure you could think of other options with the repeat command, and it is quite useful for doing fast iteration of different stacked up items. Now in this case, this is gonna, when you go to annotation, it's gonna annotate these normally. So this is how we use the repeat command in order to quickly iterate. If you have any questions, you can head over to the forum over at the KiCad session of Contextual Electronics. Thanks for watching.